Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer a question that was asked to me from one of the Windows 10 users, which is the majority of people out there. The question had to do with Microsoft Edge, and he was wondering if Edge on Windows 10 and Edge on Windows 11 are exactly the same. And yes, they are. There is no difference in the Microsoft Edge for Windows 10 and Windows 11. The differences have to do only with the operating system. So the operating system might change maybe a little bit some of the looks or the way that it actually shows up in general, but I've been comparing the menus and everything, and just absolutely no difference. Even the look is the same. So it is really dependent only on the version of the Microsoft Edge browser, and not upon the operating system. So whatever you have Edge on Windows 10 or 11, it's the same thing. So that's a good thing, meaning that the different apps are actually getting the same versions and exactly the same features. We talk about how Windows 10 doesn't really get much improvements anymore, but at least these improvements that go through apps like Edge or the Microsoft Store, things like that, these will continue to evolve probably even on Windows 10. So at least there's that going on here, because for the rest of the system, of course, the Windows 10 is now pretty much in its final stage where it's just going to be there and be the same over and over with very small updates. Even the bug fixes are very, very few right now, kind of telling us that, we're in the main phase of using Windows 10. So apps like that will continue evolving, and Edge will continue to evolve through Windows 10, and of course have all the different features at the same time as users on Windows 11 will have. So you have the ability to see that at least in the browser itself. Edge is kind of, it's actually, I use Edge personally. I kind of like it. So honestly, I find it interesting to use. There are, of course, things that are annoying, yet, there those annoying things that sometimes I don't like because they're adding too much to it, and they should keep it simple, are also sometimes useful. I went on Amazon to purchase something yesterday, and there's the shopping thing that appears all the time, and that shopping thing says, "Hey, we found a coupon," and it's like, "Hey, you just saved $18 on what you were going to purchase," and it's like, yeah, okay. It's kind of interesting. I did save $18 thanks to a feature that frankly annoys me a little bit, but at the same time, it's mostly because of how, they just show up there and work, and they should really, really be kind of mostly off by default. You can explain when you get a new version of Edge, oh, we got that new thing here, but you got to turn it on with this last slider if you want to see it, and let people choose. But, they kind of put it in your face so that you see them. So it's not always kind of fun to use. But anyways, same version, like I said, from Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.